Hello everyone, this is the Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios, and today I am pouring out a process of irritation, annoyance, fear, anger, all of the frightening emotions and the very strong emotions. And I'm doing this in color, and if you notice, it's got kind of a red, white, and blue theme. I live in the United States, and there are forces of frustration, anger, fear, extreme polarization and misuse of power, damnation, outrage, indignation, all this stuff going on. And it's a play. It's a play, and people are acting out of what makes them feel alive. No matter what area on the spectrum you are on, the way that we're acting is what makes us feel most alive, or if we feel really bad, what covers up what feels bad. So I'm putting all this in these layers of color in the cup. This is my abstract expression of what I perceive is going on here. And it is frightening on some level because there is violence involved. But more than the violence, the most frightening thing is that truth. No one knows what to believe anymore. We start believing what we want to believe, and we've lost our kind of witnessing capacity and mental capacity to weigh out information and where that information falls, if it's backed up by experiential and factual evidence, or if it's backed up by something we feel, or if it's backed up by something that someone else said. And we've kind of lost our intelligent perspective. We've lost our capacity to care for each other in a polarized way, and that's reflected in the polarization of the economy. So back to the painting. I poured this out. This is an incredible spiral because it's almost an exact Fibbonocci spiral, like a nautilus. It's very hard to get this while I'm pouring. So it's pretty amazing. And notice how it invites and resolves the color conflict, and this is how nature resolves conflict in spirals, and this is how we get new growth. So this is my response to the events of Wednesday and all the headlines in the newspaper and all the fear that's going around. We could use this as a self-reflection for our own growth. Leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.